Here's the pattern behind 70 years of AI, from handwritten rules to systems that can learn, generate, and now act with minimal human micromanagement. Pattern 1. More data. Early rule-based AI worked off thousands of examples, carefully coded by humans. Neural networks learned from millions of labeled examples, like handwritten digits and images. Large language models, trained on billions of tokens from books, code, and the public web. The emerging agentic era adds something new: continuous learning from every interaction, every outcome, every environment. Pattern 2. More complexity and autonomy. Rule-based systems did one thing: follow the rules you gave them. Neural networks spotted patterns you didn't explicitly describe. LLMs go further. They generate text, code, and ideas from those patterns. Agentic AI chains these models into goal-driven systems that can plan steps, react to feedback, and adapt over time. Pattern 3. Speed of computation. What took days on early 2000s hardware now runs in milliseconds on modern accelerators. Training frontier models can still take weeks on massive clusters, but once deployed, they answer in real time on your phone or laptop. And this isn't just theory. These patterns are quietly reshaping entire industries, some more than others. Now, what does this evolution actually change in the real world? Let's speedrun 5 sectors where AI is already making measurable impact. Healthcare. Radiologists used to read every X-ray manually. Fast readers might handle 50 or more studies a day, with fatigue always creeping in. Today, AI image analysis tools can flag suspicious scans in seconds and, in some studies, reach around 95 to 99% accuracy for specific tasks like tumor detection. Hospitals report that triage systems can boost reporting efficiency by 15 to 40%, and in some pilots up to about 80% faster on critical cases, without sacrificing accuracy. Finance. Traditional rule-based fraud filters generated huge numbers of false alarms and still missed novel attacks. Banks using AI-driven fraud detection now scan billions of transactions in real time, cutting false positives by around 50% and catching roughly 20% more real fraud in some deployments. For major card issuers, that translates to hundreds of millions, sometimes billions, of dollars in avoided fraud every year. Retail. Old-school retail relied on basic segmentation and fixed promotions. With AI recommendations and demand forecasting, leading e-commerce players report that 20 to 40% of online revenue can come from recommendation engines, and improved forecasts can add 4 to 8% in sales. Manufacturing. Factories used to run on fixed maintenance schedules. Wait until something breaks, then shut the line down. AI-powered predictive maintenance uses sensor data to spot failures early, cutting unplanned downtime by up to about 50% and reducing maintenance costs by 10 to 40% in some plants. Agriculture. Farmers have always used experience and intuition to time planting, irrigation, and harvest. Now, AI-driven forecasting and crop health models have boosted yield and demand forecast accuracy by roughly 40% in some case studies, turning gut feel into data-driven decisions. Here's the key insight. Each evolution didn't erase the last one. Rules still run simple logic. Neural networks still power vision. LLMs still reason inside agents. It's additive, not a reset. Every layer builds on the one below. If you're liking this breakdown of how AI really works behind the scenes, hit like, drop a comment with your industry, and subscribe to AI Under 1 Minute so you don't miss the next chapter.